Most students think they use the internet, but in reality, the internet uses algorithms to decide what you see, what you don't see, and increasingly, what opportunities reach you. AI already filters job applications. AI already ranks resumes. AI already decides which content gets visibility. AI already influences hiring, admissions, and recommendations. So the real question is not, will AI control the internet? The real question is, do you understand how to work with the systems that already control it? Because the future is not AI versus humans. It is skilled humans versus unskilled humans using AI. The hidden reality most students don't see. Every time you search online, apply for a job, upload a resume, watch a video, scroll social media, an algorithm is making decisions before a human ever does. It decides what gets promoted, what gets buried, what gets flagged, what gets recommended. Most students never notice this. They assume effort alone creates results. Effort still matters, but visibility now matters just as much. And visibility is controlled by AI systems. If you don't understand how those systems work, you're playing a game without knowing the rules. Who actually controls the internet? Not one company, not one government, not one AI model. Control comes from search algorithms, recommendation systems, ranking engines, automation pipelines, data-driven decision tools. These systems decide who gets attention, who gets ignored, who gets opportunities. Humans design them. AI executes them at massive scale. That means humans still shape the rules. But AI applies the rules faster than any human ever could. So power no longer belongs only to those who work hard. Power belongs to those who understand how digital systems interpret their work. Why this matters for students? Because your future will pass through AI filters. Before a recruiter reads your resume, AI may scan it. Before a professor reviews submissions, AI may check patterns. Before a client sees your portfolio, an algorithm may rank it. This doesn't mean humans disappear. It means humans see filtered versions of reality. If you don't know how to structure your work for these systems, you become invisible even when you're capable. That's the real risk, not replacement, invisibility. The students who win in this environment, they are not AI engineers. They are not coding prodigies. They are students who understand how to communicate clearly, how to structure information, how to verify outputs, how to use AI as a thinking partner. They treat AI as a multiplier, not a crutch. Skill 1, AI literacy, understanding strengths and limits. Smart students don't blindly trust AI. They know AI can be confident and wrong. AI can hallucinate. AI can reflect bias. So they verify, they cross-check, they ask follow-up questions. They treat outputs as drafts, not truths. This alone separates responsible users from risky ones. Skill 2, prompting as thinking, not typing. Prompting is not about clever wording, it's about clarity. Strong students define goal context constraints, output format. This forces structured thinking, the same skill used in writing briefs, giving instructions, explaining problems, leading projects. If you can prompt well, you can think clearly. That skill transfers everywhere. Skill 3, AI-assisted research and synthesis. The old advantage was finding information. The new advantage is connecting information. Smart students use AI to compare viewpoints, summarize long material spot patterns, highlight contradictions. Then they decide what matters. They don't copy, they synthesize. That's what professionals do. The big shift you must understand, AI doesn't remove the need for intelligence. It raises the standard for intelligence. The winners are not those who avoid AI. The winners are not those who outsource thinking. The winners are those who combine human judgment with machine speed. Final truth. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's humans who learned to work with AI versus humans who didn't. One group moves faster with less effort. The other works harder for smaller results. Your choice determines which group you join. Pick one skill from this video. Practice it intentionally this week, not someday. this week and subscribe, because this channel exists to help students think clearly, work intelligently, and graduate prepared for the world they're actually entering.